So hello friends, welcome you all in the code world. So in this today's video, we are going to see a bitwise operation. So uh, before moving to a bitwise operation, I must tell you that we have completed our identity operator as well. If you have not watched my previous video, please go and watch it. We have covered identity operator, membership operator, and logical operator. These three of this in a one video. Okay, so let's move toward the bitwise operator, and this video will be very quick and short because it has a theory part most, because once you have the idea what is bitwise and what is binary and binary or binary XOR, and what is one's complement and left and right shift, once you have the knowledge about this thing, then it is very simple to apply it in a coding part. Okay, so let's see what is binary and operator copy a bit to the result if it exit in both operands. Okay, so first of all, let's see what is binary and. In binary and is just like a performing a addition or in a binary term. Okay, so first, so here I have written the previous code only. When I am going to I have tried this, and then at that time I have written this, and I will just explain this code. Okay, so first here I have taken the value a 60 and store it in a variable a and print the value of a in a binary form. Okay, binary means it will contain the value in 0 and 1 format only. Okay, and 60 in binary form. So let's see by running this. So here we go. So binary form of a, which is a 60 here, this is in a binary form. Okay, the value of 60 in binary form will represent like this. Okay, and value of 30 in binary form will be represent like this. Okay, this binary form of a, it is showing because I have written this a only. So now it is perfect. Okay, so for binary operation, so C equals to A and B. Here and represent like just like a addition in a number. Okay, so it will add this 60 and 30. Okay, so it will represent as state 12. You can see here. Okay, and in binary or it represent or operation in a binary format, you can use this sign. Okay, and this sign is present in the keyboard just before the shift button. Okay, so and binary XOR is this one. So first of all run binary or, and we are getting the or operation 61 value in, and binary form is this one, and by performing a binary XOR we are getting, and this sign is used to perform a binary XOR, and this sign is present at the number of 6 in your keyboard. Okay, so binary or XOR will perform and it will give a output 49. Okay, and binary once complement, once to complement anything, we can use this sign, and this sign is just above the tab button in your keyboard. Okay, so once I run this binary once complement, it give minus 61. Okay, and binary left shift and binary right shift. Okay, so I have run this binary left shift and binary right shift. I can understand that you didn't get the much knowledge about binary operation because it include many large amount of theory type. Oh, and I think I cannot present the theory part in this lecture because it take much effort to present it. Okay, you can prefer any other YouTube videos to learn the bitwise operation. Okay, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.